Unit 2. Family and Friends. Lesson 1.
Listen and repeat.
Genie, lamp, father, sister, grandfather, grandmother, brother, mother.
Listen and read.
Is this your family, Wendy?
Yes, this is my mother, Anne, and that's my father, Bob.
Is this your brother?
Yes, his name is Tom, and that's my sister, Lucy. This is my grandfather and my grandmother, Bill and Doris.
Whoa! Is this a magic lamp?
Yes, and this is our genie, Sid.
Hello, Oscar.
Listen and repeat.
Who's that?
That's Eddie and his sister.
Now you say.
Who's that?
That's Eddie and his sister.
Look and answer. Who's that?
That's Wendy and her brother.
Who's that?
That's Lynn and her mother.
Who's that?
That's Oscar and his grandfather.